Hey, what's up, guys? Gorilla Tag just released a brand new Caves update, and I am super excited. Well, at least I think it's a Caves update. So this is what the board says. Summer is here for the monkeys. There's plenty of fun under the sun to be had. If it gets too hot, there are new ways to beat the heat. At the end of the day, you and your friends can make camp, and do it all again tomorrow. The shop is stocked with new cosmetics to slide into summer in style. Stay cool and look cool with the new items available now. Dude, I am so excited for this. Where should we go first?
I want to check out the new cosmetics.
Okay, yeah, let's go see the new cosmetics. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but this is my friend JJ. He's gonna be in the video. Yeah.
Hi.
Dude, oh my gosh. Dude.
Wait, what's this?
There's a dolphin, dude. There's a dolphin, bro.
Where?
I'm right here. Dude. Oh my god. Okay, that bag. Dude, I gotta try everything on. I gotta try everything. Oh, what is this? Okay. Okay,
The orange thing is a popsicle!
Wait, it's a popsicle? I was wondering what that thing was, because it was like...
That orange bag is a popsicle!
Oh my gosh. Dude, I have to get this. This thing is so cool.
Wait, what's this? What's this?
What is it? It's a dolphin, bro. Dude, it squirts water, bro.
Bro, I'll be joining in one of those public lobbies.
I'm gonna go see what else is in the shop.
Is there like new shirts?
Yeah, there's some new shirts and stuff. Oh, there's like a travel bag. What is that?
What's this?
Dude, it's like bug spray. I mean, bro, is that Doug spray? Doug spray? Bro, that sucks.
Excuse me? Lemon?
Doug spray, bro?
Excuse me, Lemon?
You hate Doug or something, Lemming? Huh? No.
You hate
Doug is awesome. I got a ring
Listen,
pop.
Lemon, if you're watching this video, remove this item.
Yes.
Then people are actually gonna be using it.
Frick. Alright,
What's this?
see what this is.
Oh, what is a binocular?
Wait, shh. Hold on. Yo. That's a little
ASMR.
suspicious.
ASMR though.
What is that? It's like cardboard. Is it
I'm
binoculars?
pretty sure.
Hold on,
I'm
let me
pretty
go.
sure binoculars.
Let me go get that.
They look like two cups.
Oh, I see 'em.
They're on
I see
the
'em.
side. Oh wow. That's
Dude.
honestly pretty cool.
After this, we're gonna go check out caves.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Oh
if
my
the cave is
gosh.
open.
I
Wait,
don't
do we
like
have
these
any
though. They're
new
too like
balloons?
bulky.
Oh, they removed the sun balloon. I just realized.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, because the summer update's done. You can see.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yo,
Let's go to.
If I buy this white hat, it's like an upgrade from my old hat, which I have right now.
Wait, dude, they have a propeller hat, dude. Watch this be like the new minigames
No,
hat that everybody wears.
You wanna play minigame?
Okay, bro. Okay.
I'm checking out the map.
Let's go to caves. Caves. It's gonna be like some. Watch it be flooded. Ugh.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me! It's flooded
Dude!
with rocks.
What is this update?
Dude, lemon!
I just want caves. Open the door. Okay, what the heck?
Open the door.
What is this freaking update then? Just the items? No, because it said camping
Just
stuff.
cosmetics? Wow.
It said the camping stuff though.
There. That was
Yeah, it
so
says
exciting for nothing.
I don't know, but okay, let's go in the forest.
Text?
Dude,
Text?
hold on, come in the forest, dude. There's a slipping slide. Dude, there's tents.
I take all that back. Lemon, I take all that back. I
And a
love you.
cooler and a grill. Bro, I'm being cooked.
I am now a grilled gorilla. Wait, will this make me into a fire monkey?
Imagine. No, it's not.
I
It's
don't
not
think it's
doing
working.
it. Okay. Oh, there's more over here.
More.
Trampolines are still here. Why is this fire like flat? What the heck?
Bro, really said I'm done. Wait, can I climb it up? No, it's too slippery.
Yeah, I tried.
I want to try. I want to
Dude.
try.
This could like go for some good
Wait
movements.
a minute. Is there anything new on top of Stump? Because last time the Christmas update, there's like snowmans.
Oh yeah,
On
there could be
top of it.
something up on Stump.
But that was Christmas. This is right now. Hey. Hello?
Yeah? I'm going up top of Stump.
Oh, you're going up.
Don't judge my skills. I got this game like a couple weeks ago, okay?
Is there anything on top?
Oh, there is! What are these?
Wait, there is?
Yes, there's like, I don't know, they're barrels of some sort.
Right now.
It's like a chimney. What is this thing?
Oh, what the hell are those?
Hey, watch your mouth. What in the world? What if you like put Doug in there and it like shoots out?
Are those cannons? Wait.
Do you think that would work?
Doug, where are you?
Where are you, Doug? Where's Doug?
We need Doug. We need Doug. Help me find Doug.
Dougie. Wait, I think I...
Doug. Right here?
Doug. Where's Doug? Oh, I see him. I see him. He's at the entrance to the beach. Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Okay.
there he is. Hey, Doug, we just
What?
wanna
Okay,
try
I grabbed
something.
him. I grabbed that kid. There we go.
Oh,
Okay, let's take him.
time.
Let's take him. Imagine Doug just like flies out of that cannon.
He flies out of that. Don't do that to me. I'm trying
I
to
suck at
get
this
up.
game. Bang. 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 Okay, okay. Come here. Come here. We're gonna put Doug in.
Oh, I almost fell.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. No, it did nothing. What are these though? Like,
I think they're confetti.
maybe they like shoot out at some point. Maybe they shoot out water.
Oh, maybe.
That would be cool.
Maybe they shoot out gorillas. Am I gonna be a flying gorilla? No, I don't think it's gonna work.
Okay, let's go see beach. See if there's anything new there.
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure all the maps are gonna have the water slides.
Maybe.
Please wait for me. Oh, damn, the place is like.
Nothing new so far.
I mean, we're not in beach yet.
Yeah.
It's like the entrance of beach, but
Ignore the fact that I'm very slow climbing this rope.
and I'm very good at climbing ropes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that hole. There's nothing in the hole. Unless, like, no.
Oh my
Okay.
God, there's tents and
Oh, there's, tents and slipping slides in here. Let's go.
and
Oh,
wasn't there tents and wasn't there tents and what's it called?
forest?
Yeah.
Yeah, there were tents in forest. Like, we were just there, like, 2 seconds ago.
I'm here.
No. Alright, it's right there. Oh, this one's, like, an incline. This one would be fast.
Oh, whoa.
Oh. Here we go.
Wee.
Whee!
Not really that.
Oh, there's one you can go into the water.
Wait, really?
Oh, well, I just messed that up.
Oh, I'm gonna go from afar.
Okay, I'm gonna back up. Dang, that was pretty boring. Look at this sweater.
It looked like I had depression. Where'd you
Okay.
go? Oh, wow. I'm stuck. Oh, there you go. Is there anything?
Dude.
I wanna go to canyons. Oh, no,
Canyons?
clouds. No,
Let's
I
go to
wanna see-
canyons.
Alright, canyons first.
Yeah, because canyons is closer.
Canyons would look so cool if they had those slip inside.
Yeah.
I'm still kind of mad. Imagine if the cave opened up and they have a slip inside.
Sorry about my barrier showing up, guys. It's
Wait, can you
being
wait for
weird.
me? I'm still like in deep.
Okay. Dude, this is so cool. Oh, there's more tents than I thought there was. I didn't see all those. I really want to see what those things on top. I'm in forest.
You're in canyons?
Forest. I'm almost to canyons.
Can you wait for me? Because I'm still like, I just got.
Yeah, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Monkey, monkey.
I just got into forest.
Message of the day. Awesome. Hi, Doug. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Oh, dude, I don't think there's anything. Yeah.
No.
No, I don't see anything.
Oh, wait.
What?
The tents are opened up.
The tent?
That's all though.
Oh yeah. Oh, and there's a grill and stuff. But there's no, anything else. No slip and slides.
Oh,
That's what I meant.
The grills and stuff.
Yeah, the grills and...
I'm gonna go to mountains.
I don't think there's any slipping slides anywhere. Not that I see. Okay, I'm coming.
I have a feeling there's nothing in mountains. But they should at least have a slipping slide. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'll be waiting in city.
Okay.
Oh, I missed. Wait, do something.
Oh, hold on. There's nothing in here, I don't think. Let me look up over here.
No grills? Maybe no grills?
No, there's nothing. Why would there be a grill in a snow place?
I guess no.
Okay.
Wait a minute, this is new?
Oh, what is?
Isn't this new?
What?
This. I'm going on right now.
No, that's been there.
I thought I never seen that. I'm coming.
Oh, that is like the easiest way ever to get on top of slide. Yeah, let's go to clouds. Hold on. How have I never done that? Okay.
Oh, this will never get old. This will never get old. Come over here. Come over here. No bite.
Okay, come on.
That would never get old.
It doesn't look like there's anything in clouds either.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought we were going to forest again.
Oh, what the heck?
I passed clouds.
Unless maybe there's some up a little bit.
Wait, maybe there's some on the top. Maybe there's some on the.
Yeah. I don't think there is anything. Wait, hold on. I don't know if those were there or not before. I barely go to clouds. There's washing machines. Have these always been here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, do they work? No, they don't.
There's nothing
Yeah,
new
these
here.
have been here for a very long time.
Okay.
Same with the trampolines.
So, I'm gonna go back down to see the cosmetics.
Have we checked the... Oh, wait a minute.
What?
We can check basement, but I have a feeling there's nothing going to be in there.
I doubt there's gonna be anything in basement.
I mean, yeah, it's where you put children, and I mean, where you have fun in there. There's no painting?
Yeah,
Is
new
it
painting.
in there? They're there.
No, these are new. Some of them are. Like, I don't think that hang thing was
think that's
there
all.
before. There's this
TV
painting.
Has this
And this
TV been in
painting?
here?
Yeah, that's always been there.
Wait a minute.
Are these?
Is it just me? Or does the texture, does the texture of the couch look different?
I don't think it does. I barely go in here
Is it-
either.
I remember, I think it was just red, not like more details.
Maybe there's more
That's
details.
what I think. That's what I think.
I think there's some extra boxes in here that weren't here before, but I could be wrong.
No, I think no. These have been in here.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. So I don't. So there's barely anything new in basement.
Is that everything?
We checked out the cosmetics. We checked out the maps. Oh, we haven't checked this trash map.
Oh, duh, I have to go to mirror. That's not a trash map. That's a
Maybe there's,
competitive
like, broken
parkour.
slip and slide.
It's a competitive parkour, not trash map. No, there's nothing in there.
Why call it the trash map? Because there's a lot of like old stuff.
Yeah, I get it. Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This update has been amazing. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Have a great day.